Adorable. Hi everybody. Today we're excited because we're going to be talking about the beautiful chenille plant and how this is a wonderful plant that I don't know why people don't use more in their garden. So we're going to go over how you can take care of her in your garden. So, you all ready to dig in? Let's grow. The incredibly cool looking chenille plant goes by the botanical name Acalypha hispida, and she grows in zones 9B to 11, protected 9B. Wonderful plant, super cool looking as you can see here, and she grows in full sun or part sun. I've grown her in part sun at my Fort Lauderdale home and she did fine. One thing to note about this plant when you're planting her or you're maintaining her is that if you break off her leaves or her stems, she may have a little sap, and some people that's an irritant, so just be aware of that. She's a pretty fast grower, easily gets 7 feet to 5 feet wide, and it can grow even taller. I've typically seen them around 7 feet. They're so cool and they form a great hedge, as you can see here. Super, super cool and exotic looking. As for garden uses, like I just mentioned, you can use her as a hedge, but you can also grow her as a focal point or as a garden backdrop or even in mixed beds. It's just a great versatile plant for your garden. To get your chenille to do her best, I recommend a good loamy soil mix to plant her with, so that when she's getting into the ground there, she's going to have some moist soil, not too soggy, but enough moisture that it's going to help give her the energy she needs to put out these wonderful blooms. Now on watering, we recommend watering 3 times a week, typical of a home irrigation system. That mixed with the loamy soil is going to give her the energy she needs to grow. And because she kind of blooms throughout the year, we recommend a 10-10-10 or even a 20-20-20 slow release in the spring and summer months to give her the energy to keep pushing out these wonderful red blooms. And here's a pro tip for you. You can grow her in containers. So if you live in a cooler region, you could grow her in a pot and then bring her in when it gets too cold outside. And now moving on to the dwarf variety. This is the dwarf chenille or kitten's tail. Super cool looking, forms this wonderful carpet, little red flowers popping up and flopping over time. Such a cool ground cover. Looks great when you put her with some other accents, and it's a pretty good plant for stabilizing slopes as well. And this plant goes by the botanical name Acalypha pendula. The dwarf chenille will grow in full sun or part shade, and she's adaptable to a wide range of soils, but you do want to have a moist loam, just like the larger cousin. And a really cool thing you can do with the dwarf chenille is put her in a hanging basket. It's so pretty, will cascade down like this. Oh, so beautiful. I mean, doesn't she look amazing? It's so cool. This plant is so cool. Thank you for joining us. If you have thoughts or questions about the chenille plant or other plants, leave a comment down below and we'll make sure we get back to you. And until the next video, bye. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And tell your friends and family. We post videos weekly. Thanks.